Okay, so today's video is about a problem that's becoming a big issue in Australia. It's to do with the Optus 5G home broadband that's now available. You get, when you sign up to your Optus 5G home service, they'll give you a Nokia modem like this. It's just a big cylinder. And the issue is that this modem, when you get it from Optus out of the box, it does not support AirPrint. So if you hook up any printer to it, so say this Brother printer for this customer that we've hooked up, you'll be able to establish a network connection with the modem. But whenever you try and print from a mobile device that supports AirPrint, every other system works perfectly, of course, but AirPrint is deliberately blocked by this Nokia modem from the factory. So to fix it, you've got to do a factory default on this modem. You have to log into the modem's gateway address. The username and password is on the label on the bottom. Log into it, go to the section where it says factory default, and once you factory default this modem, you will then get a whole plethora of new options which doesn't normally sit there in the menu, and then instantly AirPrint is automatically supported. So so the first thing you do when you get your new modem from Optus is factory default the modem, and everything will be hunky-dory as far as printing is concerned. So that's today's video. I hope that helps. You can leave a tip or gratitude in the link below if it's helped you out and solved your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks.